Yo, mi gente. Welcome to Jarabacoa, aka La Ciudad de la Eterna Primavera. This place right here, it's where the mountains whisper, the rivers run wild, and the air feels like it's straight from a spa. My first time touching down in Jarabacoa was on a Saturday, October 28, 2023. Rolled up from Nizao, my surfing place by the sea, with my mom and two local surfers, and headed straight to one of the most iconic spots to eat in the mountains, Jamaca De Dios. This place is built into the side of the mountain. You're eating mofongo with a fork in one hand and touching clouds with the other. We linked up with fam and had one of those dinners where the food, the views, and the people just make everything feel perfecto.
Check this out. I am at a restaurant in Jarabacoa, which is basically the mountain range where the top part rotates. That's the top floor, which is rotating. And it takes you through this view all the way around, and so on.
Infinito tren, cuánto tiempo, pasajeros pasan y se van. La voz del tiempo es la única verdad que tengo. No se acaba, no se acaba.
Fast forward to April 4th, 2025. I'm back, this time with the crew, to the villas of Rancho Las Guazaras. This isn't just a place, this is a vibe. Picture wooden cabins wrapped in mountain air, hammocks swaying like merengue dancers, and pine trees doing their thing up in the hills.
Hello, ¿cómo estás? ¿Lo está pasando bien? Ah, mira qué nítida. Eso. Qué linda. Nice. Señores, a María Elena la quiero yo entrar a la piscina desde que llegamos. Le mandé un telegrama de Estados Unidos, ni siquiera quiere. ¿Por qué no quiere entrar?
Porque no tengo un poco de gripe en la cabeza.
Ok. All right.
La nariz y los ojos.
Ok, la entiendo perfectamente. Para la próxima entonces. All right.
Señores, mira quién yo tengo aquí. Ariel Cava anda con nosotros. Estamos en Villa Pérez. Estamos aquí. Oh, shit. Yo. Tigre. I think I know you, cuz. What's going on?
Oh, we're roommates.
We are?
Yes. Yes. This is our room, guys. Oh, my God.
I coach Chapman.
Oye, pero qué hermoso placer compartir con la familia Cava Romano y los demás aquí en Jarabacoa. Mira qué hermoso lugar es este aquí. Mira. Nosotros rentamos diferentes clases de villas en este establecimiento. Una localidad aquí que es muy famosa por la belleza natural que tiene. No solamente eso, sino por la flexibilidad de tener a varias familias en el mismo complejo, utilizando diferentes villas. Por ejemplo, aquí hay una. Allá arriba hay otra. Aquí a mano derecha hay una. Ahí abajo hay otra también. Hay 2 piscinas. Está la piscina principal aquí. Y hay otra piscina secundaria en la parte baja. Hay más villas allá al final. Allá está la cocina. Y está como el comedor y cosas así para eventos grandes. Aquí está la otra villa. Súper chulo. Ahí hay familiares. Como pueden ver, con sus hijos, con sus hijas, teniendo un tiempo fantástico. Y de esta forma que se ve cuando tú entras, una vaina bacana, como dicen ustedes los dominicanos. Oh, espérate, déjame enseñarte algo. Déjame enseñarte los restos del naufragio. En paz descanse los dinosaurios. Cheers.
Mojado en ti un pez para bordar de corales tu cintura y hacer siluetas de amor bajo la luna. Oh, saciar esta locura. Mojado en ti.
The night in Jarabacoa is different. You don't fall asleep, you drift. Wrapped in mountain air, serenaded by crickets and the soft hush of coconut trees swaying like they're whispering secrets. Then, like clockwork, the morning creeps in. Not with alarms, but with nature's playlist. The flutter of wings, a breeze slipping through the curtains, and the most Dominican alarm clock of all, El Gallo. Loud, proud, and right on beat. Not just one, a whole chorus of roosters letting you know, Oye, levántate que el día empezó. You open your eyes, stretch, step outside, and there it is. Peace. Real peace. Of course, you can't pull up to Jarabacoa and not connect with nature. I headed out for some trail time. Pine forests that smell like fresh start, birds singing like they're getting paid for it, and paths that lead you straight to inner peace. Then we hit Río Yaque del Norte, cool, fast, and full of that mountain soul. You step in and all your worries get carried downstream. This river's got history, flow, and enough good energy to charge your spirit.
Prefiro pecadinho. Língua no dedo é muito pouco. Quando a altura se desfaz, se refestela, se estatela, roça o corpo na tela. Quem sabe o que faz? De esperas, fico rouca, rasgante e aspirante assim. Desliza de lado, enviesa teu rito. Prefiro pecadinho.
After spending the morning dipping in the cool rush of Río Yaque del Norte, I wasn't ready to head back just yet. El día estaba encendido, so I hit the road and pulled up to La Cortina. And yo, this spot, it's wild. A legit waterfall just chilling on the side of the main street like it pays rent. Cars be driving by like it's nothing. And I'm over here like, pero y este flow? I jumped out, felt the mist hit my face. Fresh, like una bofetada de la naturaleza pa que despierte. It's loud, it's raw, and it's one of those places that makes you laugh out loud because it's just so extra and so Dominican. After catching that full-body rinse at La Cortina, no lie, it felt like nature gave us a free shower with style. We were feeling refreshed, hyped, and a little bit hungry. So we packed up, hit the road, and headed back to El Rancho para seguir el coro. Soon as we got back, we politely, con cariño, asked our 2 in-house chefs to get that dinner rolling, porque había hambre, mi hermano.
Y aquí es donde la magia pasa, miren, señores. Le presento a Marlene, parte de la tripulación. Están aquí poniendo en práctica el sazón. Y Nancy. Muchísimas gracias a los dos por el servicio, se le agradece. Como siempre, y hablamos luego. Ariel, dime, ¿cómo tú te sientes, la verdad? Esa dieta tuya nunca se ha visto tan heavy como la de hoy, ¿eh?
Y juntamos la piel, ay qué rico bebé, para darte placer. Tú a mí me miraste y de una me embrujaste. Yo que aún no lo entiendo, pero una bichota sexual. En la cama no hay nadie igual. Y te pegaste, te quedaste por mi zona. Quieres que la coja toda, 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 toda. Quieres que la coja toda, 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 toda. Quieres que la coja toda, 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 toda.
You already know I had to bring out the DJI Avata too. Goggles on, blades humming, ready to make magic. This wasn't just drone footage. This was straight up movie mode. I was carving through the poolside air, swooping low over the water, tracing shadows, catching that golden light bouncing off the waves, and of course, locking in on the brave ones, launching off the edge, flying through the air with flips, splashes, and zero fear, while I captured every acrobatic move from above like a one-man camera crew. If you blinked, you missed it. But don't worry, the Avata didn't. And my fam went full submarino with the underwater scooter. I gave a quick demo and they took off like pros, spinning, diving, laughing. It was a whole movie. And in that moment, looking around, family bonding, kids splashing, roosters still trying to be part of the soundtrack, I realized this is what Jarabacoa is all about.
Te quedaste por mi zona, quieres que la coja toda, 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 toda. Quieres que la coja toda, 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 toda. Quieres que la coja toda, 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 toda.
It's not just the rivers or the waterfalls or the pine-covered hills. It's the space it gives you to reconnect with your people, with nature, with the version of you that's not in a rush. Out here, time slows down, and suddenly all that matters is good food, fresh air, and laughter that doesn't need Wi-Fi. Jarabacoa isn't just a destination, it's a reminder that life's better when you make space for the people you love. And sometimes, that space looks a lot like a cabin in the mountains.